Hello and welcome everyone to another Q&A session. Today we're going to discuss the finishing coat, which is basically a top coat of the Frenchic Furniture Paint. So what are the 8 practical uses of this finishing coat, which, let us remind you, it's environmental friendly. 1. Frenching can be used instead of wax to seal the paint, especially in high traffic areas when using the original range. If you are going to use the finishing coat and wax, make sure that first you use the finishing coat and then you use the wax. F before W. 2. You can use the finishing coat to mix with the metallics, which are the Frenchine, so that obviously you can create any metallic effect on your furniture. 3. You can use the finishing coat to seal outside. For example, if you use the original range or the laser range to paint outside furniture or chairs, you make sure that you seal with the finishing coat 2 or 3 times after the paint obviously is dry. 4. You can use the finishing coat as a glue for decoupage and also as a sealing agent after the decoupage paper is dry. 5. You can use finishing coat to seal wood. Basically, you use the finishing coat as primer before starting to paint with the Frenchic Furniture Paint on old furniture like mahogany and pine, so that you can avoid bleed through once the furniture is painted. 6. You can use the finishing coat as a sealer on ironwork. Basically, if you have furniture that has iron on it and you are a little bit scared that rust might come out in time, basically you use the finishing coat under the paint so that it seals the iron or metal and thus avoid the rust. 7. You can use the finishing coat by mixing half and half finishing coat and paint to create a glaze on your furniture. 8. You can mix the finishing coat with baby powder and paint to create the paste for use of raised stenciling. These are the 8 uses that we came up with for the use of finishing coat. So it's not just a top coat, but you can at least do 8 different uses of this fantastic mix. Before we leave, we would just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel, RescoliByCarlo. And now, these are all mine, and I'm taking them. Bye!